Yeah, hi hello everyone. Welcome to the next session of your front-end development. So, as part of our previous session, we learned how to add media files, that is audio and as well as video files. Apart from that, we also learned how to add images to our web page. So, as it is a mandatory thing or a basic thing in HTML that if you wanted to add any content, we take the help of a tag, like one content, one specific content will be added with one specific tag. So in that scenario, images are with the image tag. Tag name is actually image, syntax is img. You have to be careful. Clear? Paragraph tag name is actually paragraph. Syntax is like p. Actually it's not called p tag, it is called paragraph tag only, but you have to write like this. Image also same, it's image tag, but img how to write it. That's it. In the same way, audios are added with audio tag, videos are added with the video tag. But inside both, in the audio or video, we have one more tag to be inserted called the source tag. What is the tag name? Source tag. Inside that we have two attributes. Generally, inside a opening tag, we have attributes for different extra purpose. If you want to add to your element, we use attributes. In the source tag, we have two attributes, two important attributes. One is src, and the other attribute is type. Src is the one which tells you the address of the video or audio file which you actually wanted to add to your page. Next, type is something where you have to tell its type because different formats also available. That's it. Coming to the image, also you have src attribute. Actually, its name is source attribute. Again, its syntax is like src. Same path you need to provide. Next, we have alt attribute to give another name for your extra name for your image. Next, we have if you want to change the size, because by default it will be having original size for the image, default size. If you want to change it using height and width attributes, we can able to change them. So these are the things which we learned in the last class. Now we know that the purpose of HTML is mainly to add the content to our web page. So we learned to add few styles, like not styles, what like uh, few fields, I can say, image field and audio fields and videos. And now we are going to see one important thing, that is list. So when you're talking about the data, especially the text data, the main text data we write using headings and paragraphs. But sometimes what happens, the data may be present even in the form of list items as well. So that also we can add to the HTML with the help of list. So, but before I proceed further, just give me the confirmation that online people, you are able to see my screen which I have shared, and as well as you are able to hear my voice properly. Just give me the confirmation before we proceed further.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So generally, again, I can take the same example like your textbook. In that, sometimes you have something four types of some mathematics, whatever it is. Four types of theorems are there. Four theorems are there. They are one something, two, three, something like that. It will be there. Or sometimes you'll be having A, B, C everywhere, right? You'll be having this in your anything, not only maths. You will be having it in anywhere. So there are five types of microorganisms are available, right? Virus, bacteria, like that you have. So whatever it is, list items will be there. Instead of representing the data only in the form of paras and all headings, sometimes we do represent them even in the form of list. So basically when we talk about the list, even we have some bullet points also, like list items, like arrow symbols or something like that, star symbol, something like that, that also visually observe. So whenever we talk about the list, so default are what I say, like basically we have two types of list: unordered list, and one more is what, ordered list. It is very simple that if any list is following certain sequence, order, certain order, then it is like an ordered list. That order could be anything, but some order. Next, unordered, opposite, exactly opposite. If it is not following any sequence, then it is like unordered list. Clear? So a list of important cities in India, something like that. You have one Delhi, something like two Bangalore, three Hyderabad, four Mumbai, something like that. If it is there, means the first item is Delhi, second item like something like that will be there. But normally some list available in India, well, some cities available in India. Then if you have something like dots or something like stars, all are same now, just to some. cities you are mentioning as a list item. That's it. Clear? That is what our lists are about, and everything as already we know with the help of tags. In the same way, if you want to add another list to your page, your web page, we have to use UL tag. Same, order the list, just OL will come here. In the place of a UL, we'll be adding something like OL here, like this. But what will be there in your list? Just now we have discussed like some items. If you talk about cities, city one, city two, city three. If you talk about list of vegetables, vegetable one, vegetable two, anything list can be anything. If you talk about list of technologies, HTML, CS, all anything can be list items. So to add one list item to your list, we use a special tag called list item tag. Like to add any list item to your list. Actually, here it could be either to order the list or to unordered list. We use a special tag like li. It is for adding the list item, and inside that we can add any list item, any data here. So in this way, we'll be adding generally uh, list to our web pages. Now, as we know, now we are going to see practically. That is what we do, right? Generally, we learn the concept and immediately we'll be implementing the concept. So, to create a web page, now I want to create a web page. In that, I want to add some list. Already take one fresh file and there write the basic structure. Instead of I write again, I just copied from something else already there. So in that, after writing this, we have to save the file. You can write any name for your file there. It could be any name, but .html is an extension is mandatory. But you have to ensure you are saving in the proper location. Now it is saving in another location, which just before this I have done another class now, so that folder is there. But in your computer, you will not be having all these problems, right? You'll be having only one every day. You'll be saving there only here. Not only this, here uh, in the document section, I have only this PyHTML, and I'll see in the desktop. This many folders will come suddenly. Now PyHTML, right? In this directly, you can here I can write any name. Actually, what we are adding list items, right? So that's why I'm writing list dot html and keep it all files. Right? Why I'm telling all files? You know that, right? Why you need to write all files always? Or you don't know? You know that, right? See, I will show you. If you don't do that, what happens here? Okay, whatever it is, if you write now, save. If you do, go to this. What is the location here? In the documents, we have PyHTML. Right? See, uh, actually it took, but actually I think it old one it took. We must and should write a. I think it's a updated one. Windows 11, I think so. It's showing, but we should not write like that. We have to write only all files. We have to write there. Open it through notepad. Okay, fine. Now, yeah, I think they have recently updated, but it is not going to work in all other OS. Okay, they might be taking .html. It is concerning like a web page, but suddenly sometimes it gives you the problem. What I actually I wanted to show here is like normal text files, right? It will show it as a text file, but whose name will be like list.html. You understood, right? Here the icon will not be like a Chrome icon. The icon will be like a text file icon, right? And the name will be like list.html, and here the type will be like HTML, not like that. Text document will be there. So that's why you have to write always. Fine. Now I would like to add another list. Already we have seen that, right? So open UL and then close UL. So this will give you another list. And ordered list how to give OL. Open OL and then close OL. Yeah. To add the list item, we use li tag. One list item. Just to decide how many list items you want, you can able to write over there. Here I have written this only two list items into OL. Okay. Now see the output. Go to this. Where is that? Yeah. Yeah. Observe this. Two list items are added. So what is first one is Hyderabad, second one is Bangalore. Now, simple. In my code, nowhere I have mentioned one, two. But in the output, you are able to see one, two. That is what list is about. You understood, right? So automatically it will add one order. Now, see if I add another list item to the list. See, I'm writing Chennai. Save. Go to the browser. Reload it. What's happening? Default one more list item Chennai is added. Delete. One more item I'm adding here. Yes, added. I would like to add unordered list items. So for ordered items, same items I want to add inside the unordered list. You know that open UL, close UL. Inside that you have to write those LI list items. Now save. Go to the browser where your page is displayed. Yes, got it. That is what it is not following any sequence. Observe just one symbol, same symbol coming for each. Forget about the symbol, but same symbol is coming for each item. That is what there will be no distinction. All are equal here. But whereas in the ordered list, first item, second item, priority will be there. Clear? And this is the one by default happens, like I did not write anything special, any attributes I did not use. Normally open OL, close OL, list items, in this way it will be added. Same open UL, close UL, in that list items, in this way it is getting displayed there. So default order for ordered list is like numbers. Yes, numbers only, right? And default order, this is actually called bullet points. And default bullet point for this another list is actually the symbol is called disk. What that symbol? Disk. So it is not like circle, it's like a disk. You know this, right? This is called circle. This symbol is like this. You know bangle. Bangle symbol is called a circle symbol. What I say, normally have roti. Okay, whatever it is, that is there, no. So it looks like same, but roti is like this, bangle is like this. This is called circle. This is called disc. You know DVD. That's why it is called disc, sir. It is like this. It's not like this. It is like this. That's why we call in DVD, CD, whatever. Then you have disc, right? We call it as disc. Okay, fine, whatever. The symbol is this. Now, but all these things are by default. Now I want to change them. Clear? I want order, but I don't want this order. Now, for that to happen, what I'm doing is I would like to create one more web page. Instead of I write everything, I'm just copying the page. Already have a page, right? Just I copied and I pasted it. Now, this is called renaming. What is the name I have written? Ordered lists. Okay. The name is ordered list. Now open this. The output will be only same because I just copied now. Now I want to edit it. How to edit? Select this and go with an open with option and click for notepad. Yeah. Here, I don't want any unordered list in that. So I want only ordered list. Observe this. Here I have added same but multiple times. One, two, three, four. Four times I added ordered list. Now what I want here is I don't want one, two, three, four. I want A, B, C, D. Understood? Another style of order I want. So the sequence I wanted to change here. To do that, a special attribute is used. A special attribute is used in the OL. Generally, attributes where we write inside the opening tag only we write the attributes, right? So the attribute name is type. Attribute name is type. And see what I have written. A. Type equal to A. That I have written only for the first order list, right? See that. For others, I did not write. I have written only for the first one. Now, yeah, I think Shivani, all are able to hear me. Just to cross check. Yeah, Navya, Madhavi, you are able to hear me, right? Okay.
Yeah, so we can hear.
Go to the browser. Okay. I have written it A, right? Now see, observe output. What is the order it is showing now? A, B, C, D. Again, the second one. What I am writing? Small a, right? That is also a, this is also a. It's uppercase, this is a lowercase one. Same story, no need to explain what would be the output. You already know it, right? So, yeah, one more type equal to here. What I have written? Yeah, what is the output now? What will be the output? Roman numbers. Roman numbers or IJKL? Roman numbers, sure. Okay, majority. Roman numbers will come. So if you write that, it will give you an order, but it's a Roman numbers. Normal is like 1, 2, 3, 4 normal numbers. Here it will give you Roman numbers. Same will work with another one, but here only difference is lowercase, small iu, right? That then it will be like lowercase Roman numbers, right? Yeah. Now, what is the default type? If you write or if you don't type, what will come? If you don't write type, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come.
Number.
Actually, its type name is one. Type equal to what? One. One means 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't write that, 1, 2, 3, 4. But still, default is one only. Now type equal to one and see the last. What it is telling now? Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. If you write something wrong here, okay, observe. Here I am writing wrong, something wrong. That is not there actually, but I am writing type equal to something and that ampersand symbol I am writing. Now go there, reload. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you write wrong, what it will think is you don't know. You are written wrong. It will think like you don't know HTML, but it will give the default one. Understood? But only for numbers, we have one more, you know, speciality is there. What is this attribute name? Start. But this works only for number type. What I have written? Start 40. Other attributes start 40. See what happened? 40, 41. But as I told you, it will be for only one order, but in that only numbers, only for numbers, this extra attribute called start will be. So that's it. This is completely about your ordered list. Now, I want to create unordered list separately. For that, here I am taking file and I'm editing this file name unordered lists and open this. Yeah. Let's edit the code. For that to happen, open it through Notepad. Here everything is UL. Go to the browser, reload the browser. All will be disk only. All will be disk only. So type actually to change the uh, bullet point for unordered list we use the attribute called type only. To change the numbering also, order also, we use the same type only. But here the values are not a b c d. Here I have written a b c d. That's why a b c d means a I. That's why it is not considering at all. If you write something wrong, I told you attribute wrong. If you write, what it will do is the default value it will take. Default is always disk. Clear? Now what I'm doing here is just observe. Circle type equal to circle. Save. Go to the browser. Better view. I'm just zooming it. Yeah. That circle. Now we have one thing. Square. You'll be getting something like square. And default these things only we have. Disk no need to write. If you write type equal to disk also, what will come? Disk only will come. These are called what? Actually, bullet points we say like general word, but technically they are called list item marker. What it is called? List item marker. You're creating one list item marker. One time is like circle, next time square, like that. These are called list item markers. So default list item marker is always disk. If you wanna change it, you can change it using type attribute, circle and square you can give. And you know very well that when you talk about unordered list, there will be no priority in the order. You know that very well, right? Just items one, just item one, item two, item three, just like that will be there. It's not like first item, second item. There will be no order, right? Then instead of we give any bullet pointer to the unordered list, we can uh, make it nothing also, like no bullet point. That kind of unordered list also you can create. Understood? See, order means what, sir? Definitely some order should be there. Unordered means definitely no order. Definitely no order. All with the same symbol. What I am telling is no symbol. Next is like for the unordered list, no symbol. Why I am explaining this much? Because don't expect this for ordered list. Don't say like ordered list also how to give no symbol. If you write something no symbol for order, it is not called ordered list. If no symbol is there for all means all equal, right? If all equal, it is not called ordered list. But for unordered list, we can have symbols. Without symbol also we can represent. So to do that, what to do means some people tell wrong answer here. Most of the times I know that people tend to say wrong answer, that if I don't want any, bullet point for unordered list, what to do? Or if I ask circle, then people say type equal to circle. If I don't want anything, then people say don't write type. If I don't write type, disk will come. Disk will come. So we definitely have to write a type, and the value we need to mention here is none. Value is what? None. Type equal to none. See, observe this one. Reload. Yes. Clear. So this is circle. This is square. Now this is none. Already, if you want, you can write type equal to disk. That will give you disk. What is there in this list items? Li, right? This is called text. In each list item, whatever, okay, city name, that might be city name, anything, but what you have written there, text, right? And these list items need not be text always, it can be anything. List item can be anything. Anything means here I want links as list items. What to do? Listen, here instead of text, you can create a link there. You already know how to create a link using anchor tag. You know that or not? In this, no, no. In this session, we are done with that or not done? You're
Anchor
not
tag is
done,
not.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
What? What?
No, it's not dot here.
Okay. Okay. You might be knowing, but from our
Yeah,
sessions, we have not done, right? Yeah. Okay. Fine.
correct.
Fine. Image. You know image, right? Or audio file, you know, right? Now I want list item can be an audio file. Clear? So open Li, close Li. In that, I can have an audio file here. Earlier it is about list of cities, now it is about list of songs. Understood? Audio files. Go to the browser now or reload it. Observe. Able to see that, right? Here, list items. Dot and okay, it's not looking good. Dot should be that side. This should be all these things you can do with CSS and all that is different. But normally, list items need not contain always text only. It can be any other data also. Usually, we have links generally. You know links, right? Link. Assume like there are websites, website name, and just beside that website link. Social media sites, Twitter or Twitter link, understood, like Facebook to Facebook link, YouTube to YouTube link, something like that. We can able to get it. Clear? Yeah. So that's it. This is about your what list lists. How to add list and all. This is one. And apart from this, to add some, what I say, like a better view to the list, we take the help of CSS. Again, when we are learning CSS, again we talk about the list again. Clear? But at that time we'll beautify this list. But uh, what I say, like content wise, this is about list. Clear? You have star, something like star symbol, right? For bullet point, star or some arrow. These symbols you cannot achieve through HTML. Actually, you can write anything, any symbol you want you can get, but not through the HTML. HTML, through HTML it is limited only for disk, circle, square, nothing, none. Other things if you want, we have to take the help of CSS. Clear? So we are done with the learning of list here. That is very simple. Which one? Yeah, that is not the major list. Yeah, I will talk about description list, nested list also there, but not part of this. After once you are done with the all core concept of HTML, then I will talk about them. But in general, in a real time scenario, most of the times we use these two only, either OL or UL. So we are done with the list item. Right? Next, we are going to learn very important thing called what? Links. Some people say then something like this. What is the name? Hyperlinks. Both are like identical. There's another name people usually say, but it's like about links only. Basically, it's called link. In general, in a normal scenario, link is nothing but you click something, right? In a web page, you click something, then what happens? Some other thing will get open. That is what usually happens with the link. So links are used to travel from one page to the another. Links are used to travel from one page to another. Travel is a general English word. Here, the technical word is this. What is that? Navigate. So links are used to navigate from one page to another. You know already everything in HTML is done with the help of tag. Any content you say it will be added with the help of tag. So here to add links to your web page, we use a special tag called anchor tag. Tag name is anchor and the syntax is a, open a, close a. And here you need to write some clickable text here. Click me something. There only people can able to click it. This is the way we can create links. Now I want to create a new one now. Just I want to create a new file now. Write the basic structure over there and save the file. You write any name. I'm writing links dot html. Now save it. Yeah. Now click this. Yeah. How to create it using anchor tag. Save and go to the browser. Reload the page. Did we get link over there? Link is there? Mansa, link is there? No. To show that only I have written actually paragraph. How this paragraph looks exactly, this also looks the same. Yes. But in general, when you talk about links, what will happen generally? Like this, it will be there. If you take your mouse cursor there, the symbol will be like this. You know that, right? So whenever you talk about this is called mouse cursor, right? It usually in three formats, basically, like this arrow symbol. When you take it to text related in something like I symbol. When you take it to the links, it will be like hand symbol. Clear? So if it is hand symbol, then only it is called link. If not, it is not called link there. So now see here also see the way it looks like same with paragraph in the way same here also same. That if you look at these two size, everything is same. So now it is not acting like a link. It is not acting like a link. How to add images to your web page? IMG tag inside that SRC, right? If you don't write SRC, what image will add it? Nothing. You don't even get image broken icon also. Image broken icon also will come only if you write source wrong address, something wrong, then only that will come. If you don't write source, that will not at all act like image. Nothing can be seen. The same way, there is one primary attribute for anchor tag href or href we say. If you use this, then only it will act like a link. What we write in the href? The address of the next page, because links are used to navigate from one page to other. That one page means where you are writing is your page. To another means to which page you want to navigate. That address we need to provide inside the href here. What we have to write in this address or path of the next page, what you actually wanted to open, that we need to provide here. Now, in this, see what I have written href, but if you look at this, did I give any value, any address? No. Right now, I did not give any address. This is the earlier one, right? Before I have written href, this is the one. Link came, link came or not? If I click nothing, nowhere it is going because I have not mentioned any address. So that much important href. If you write href, then only it will act like a link. In that, if you keep it empty, also fine for it, but it has to be. It's like a stubborn, right? So in the anchor tag, if you write href, then only it will think itself as a link. If you don't write, it will not think like a link. Clear? In that, if you don't write any address, okay, fine. If you are not writing the address, means it will not go to anywhere. It will be there only. If you click how many times also, see what is this? Is called refreshing button or reloading the page. See, it is trying to reload every time, but still it is nowhere it is going. Now we need to provide the address of the page. Here, sir, same story. Next web page or next page, whatever you wanted to write, it's also a web page or something, right? Where that page will be, maybe present in the same folder. Yes, sir. No? That next page, whatever you actually wanted to add, may be present in the same folder or it may be present in the other folder of your computer, or it may be completely, that web page may be completely out of your computer also. So as per that you have to provide the address. If it is present in the same folder, what to write? Just to file name. Same thing works, image, right? How it work for image, how it work for audio, same. What is my web page name? Links.html, right? Next page, if I want to go, that is also present in the same folder, then directly I can able to write the file name, something, some image.html, whatever I can able to write. If it is present in the other folder, I have to write the full path, d colon slash abc slash slash slash, that path. If I want something completely out of my computer, then I have to start something from the url, full url, some which starts from http and all that we need to mention over there. Yeah, it will update if you can do it properly. Usually it can be updated. Just to cross check this one. Now, where it is going, right? Now I want to this is our folder name or directory. This is our web page name. But in that we have other web pages also. Yes, that is also present in the same page. Then I can give the link. Understood, right? I have a web page whose name is images dot. That's it. Now save. Go to the browser. Reload it. Only one tab. Reload. Now click. What's happening? Another page is getting open. Yes or no? Yes. So the page which is present in the current folder we open. Here assume here I'm having one web page. Where I'm having that web page? Desktop. I'm having one web page which is on the desktop, whose name is what? Tables.html. Now this web page I want to open. Understood? Then what I need to do? I need to get this address properly. Total complete address I have to write there. So now go to this, and here uh, another anchor tag you can create. The name of the file is tables.html. Save. To change, both are looking same, no? Same. This one text looks same, right? So to give some differentiation, you can write a different name here. You can write click images. You can write click table or tables. Okay, fine, whatever it is. Now see, let's go to the browser. Reload the browser. Observe all of you. Your file could not be accessed. Why? Because what address, what I mentioned, simply tables.html. If I write it tables.html, that must be present in the same folder. But there is no file called tables.html. That's why it is telling that your file could not be accessed. See where it is searching? In PyHTML folder, it is searching for a file called tables.html. It found no such address. That's why it is giving this one. Clear? So what is the thing? No other way. We have to provide proper address, proper path. So to get the path, already any file, if you don't know the path, just to go to the file, normally select the file, then go with properties on that, then you will be getting the address. Here, see users Harsha OneDrive desktop. This is the address of that one. Just to get that address now, you can copy it. I copied the address now. Already we have this, but I told you already the address system internally stores in the opposite way. You have to store in a opposite one. Forward slash we need to mention there. Set this. Now, after desktop, there is a folder. Up to desktop is a folder. Again, one more slash inside that, that is a page. Now save and go to the browser. You reload your page. Now click this. Open. Okay, that might be some other page, but open, right? Yeah. So we are able to successfully create links in our web page, and also we made the link to the page present in the same folder, and also to the page which is present in the other folder of the computer. The next thing is we are going to create a link for a page which is not present in our computer, web page or website which is completely out of our computer. We can able to do that. That is very simple. Save. Okay. Now, what is the name I have written for? This is like clickable text. You can write any name. India iPhone week I have written. Now reload it. Right. Now click this. Open. And you don't worry about that path, as I already know. That's why I have written. If you don't know anything, normally search in the Google. You go to that site and you copy the address. Don't think like to learn the links and all. He has written something that I don't know. Don't think like that. Clear? Just to search any site, sir, in the Google. Just go there. Click the site. On the top you'll be getting the address bar, right? Copy that link, just paste it. That can be opened. Clear? Anything you can open like this. The address of Amazon, Amazon, Amazon.com. Sir, we don't know those things, sir. We type Amazon, we click that, or we have our phones and we're having beautiful apps with us. Amazon.com is for US, Amazon.in is for India. Even though you type Amazon.com also, you are typing it from India, right? It will redirect to Amazon.in only. Understood? Reload, yes. Open. So in this way, we can able to add links to our web page. I have added the links in three ways, like in what I say, present in the same folder, present in other folder of the computer, completely out of our computer. Also, we have added the links. But if you observe here, actually this is called address bar. You know, right? And here from this, it is actually your website content. This is called what? Address bar. Any browser have address bar, sir. After that, whatever it is there from here to here, that is what your actual website content, which is present in the body tag. Okay. Now, here on the top, it is like a some title for your web page. You can change the title also. You know, right? Title. You know, or you don't know title. You know already. Hmm. Now, this is actually called tab. If you see this, what it is telling, new tab. Click this new tab open. Opened or not? Here, if I click new tab, yes, new tab is open. Okay, it's a Google Chrome. Default, they will make new tab to come with google.com. That is their problem. They will give like that. But see, new tab is open. Now, what I want to say here is how many tabs are open? Only one tab. If I click this, that next image is next page also opening in the same tab. See here. Now I want to go to back. Then what to do here? Forcibly, I have to click this. Here, yes or no? Uh, this is not from our side. This is from the Google Chrome browser. I have to click that backward button. Same story, anything you click this, but it's opening in the same tab. Now I want the links, but it should not open in the same tab. If you click directly, it should open in the new tab. Yeah, we have to use for that to happen. we need to use a special attribute called target. What is the attribute name? Target. Links to open a new tab. Same links, sir. Everything same, but yeah, target. Attributes usually we write inside the tag, right? Whatever the opening tag is there we write it. Target attribute name underscore blank is the value. What is the value we have to write? Target underscore blank. Save this. Go to the browser. Reload the browser. Okay. Now click this. Understood. So like that, your original page is not disturbed. Anything I can open, not only Amazon, your site, whatever it is, that will not be changed. The only thing extra is target equal to underscore blank. Clear? Actually, what happens is in links, listen, uh, target value always is underscore self. There actually one value is called underscore self. We no need to write, but default it shows like underscore self only. That's why it is always open in the same tab. If you want links to open the data in the same tab, what to do, sir? Don't do anything because default it will open in the same tab. But if you want to open in the new tab, do target equal to underscore blank. But what I am telling is target value for same tab is always underscore self. If you write or if you don't write, it always open in the same tab. That's it. This is about your anchor tags. You can add any kind of you can open any kind of data from the anchor tags here. Clear? Now if you look at this, what pages I am opening here? One is HTML page like images. Next is some tables page. This time website, directly website address. This is also website, right? Most of the times links are used to open web pages or websites, but it is not limited to use only web pages or websites. You understand? Links are used to open for websites or web pages, but it is not limited to use only for web pages or websites. We can use links to open other content also. Other content also means you can open images. You can open image. I am not talking about the images present in the web page. That is different. You can write img, you can add images. If you click some link, then one image should open in a page. If you click some link, what is happening now, sir? One HTML page opening, right? Or one website is opening. What I am telling is, if you click a link, one video should open. If you click a link, one image should open. That also can be done. Clear? With the help of links. But as I stated earlier, most of the times, generally the links are used to open the web pages or websites. But in rare cases, sometimes we can even open other content also. That only I will add links to open other content. The content can be other files. Okay, I will create. I just want one text file. I will create it. The text file name hi. And that some normal content is there like hi, hello, right? That is what kind of file it is? It's a text file. Where that is present in the same location. That's the text file. So what is the web page name, sir? Links.html. This is our web page where this hi file is present in the same location. Now, these things will not change. If something, whatever you wanted to open is present in the same folder, then directly write the name. So name is what? Hi. Name is, it is name is hi. Dot txt. For text file, we have the extension is txt. It is not text. Extension is txt. File name, file type is called text document, but whose extension will be txt. You know that or not? You don't know, also see here. Type is what? Text document. If you don't know anything, go for properties. It will tell you. It's a text document in the brackets dot txt. Default try to open with the notepad. Okay, whatever it is. Now, yeah, yeah. This targeting underscore blank for opening in the new tab. That is, you know already. Here I'm writing text file or text data. Now open this, reload the browser, click this, open. Same thing works for your image as well, sir. Image or video, audio, whatever it is. Now what I'm writing here, person.jpg. Don't think I'm writing something different. Already I know that yesterday we added image, right? And day before class only we added image and all that. I already know that. I remember that I already copied. So now this is one. Person.jpg, just save this. Okay, go to your browser, reload the page. See, so don't misunderstand, like, concepts between the image and giving link to image. Image means img tag you will write in your page. You write one image address, that image will be directly displayed on your page. This is different. You are providing anchor tag only, but to open other web pages, but this time to open other content like image. Now see, it's opening a new tab like an image. Clear? This is not yet done. You can add audio, video, other. That's why I use the word like other. So links can be used to open other content also. Clear? Now, sometimes in some websites, uh, what is this? This is a text, right? Click image is a text. At the end of the day, this is a text. CLICK, what it is? It is the text. But the text is not normal text. It's like a clickable text. Sometimes in some websites, you observe, like, if you click an image, also some page will open. Yes. Yes, sir. No. If you click an image, then also something will open, right? You observed or not? Not observed. Will not observe. I don't know why. This is a web page. It's a website or not? It's absolutely website, sir. Don't say it's a Google, sir. No, it's a website whose purpose is different. YouTube.com is also a website. Amazon.in is also a website. Wikipedia.org is also a website. Google.com is also a website. Netflix.com is also a website. The purposes are different. Clear? In Google, everything is empty. Only one search box is there. That is their wish. You can't select everything empty. That's why it's not a website. No, it's a search engine. No, it's a website whose purpose is search engine. Clear? Now, in this website, you entered something. Because of that, some content is changed. Dynamically, content is changed. Okay, whatever it is. This image are not tiger. Uh, what symbol is this? What is this symbol? And symbol means what? Link. Yes, sir. No. Okay, sir. This is a website, right? Website or not? This one. Uh, what symbol is this? Means what? Link. Here also. Click this. Okay. Click this. Another site opened or not? What I clicked? Image. If I click image, what happened? Another site is getting opened. So this is what uh, the concept, like using image as a link. Using image as a link. Instead of text, we can use image also as a link. That is very simple. See, here, if you click this text file, what will open? I.txt will open. If you click this Amazon-India, what will open? Amazon.in will open. So this is nothing actually. Nothing means this is a dummy. Whatever you click, that doesn't matter. What you write here is matter. If I write here Flipkart India, if I click, what will open? Amazon only will open. Here. That's what I am telling. That is a dummy. Understood or not? Yes, sir. If I write this, what will open? Click, save, go to your page on this one. Flipkart, that cart, this cart, but it will open only Amazon. Yes, right. Sir, you saved your mother phone number with father. Word like father. If you call will go to whom? Mother only. Yes, sir. No. Whatever the name you write doesn't matter. What it is there inside actual thing is matter, right? Here also for links, what is the main thing, sir? Whatever the address you mentioned in the href, that is what will be opened. What I am telling is the outside thing is like this normal dummy thing. That's for user to see what will open Amazon.in, right? User can't see what is opening. User can see only this text. That's why he's clicking so that it will be opening, right? Now what I'm telling is instead of writing text here, if you write image there, if you click that image, what will open? Amazon.in will open. That's it. You people already know very well how to add an image. Yes, right. In that place of text, just add one image. Now I'm removing the text. Okay. In that place, I want to add one image. For better readability, you can press enter. No problem here. Clear? Now how to add image? IMG image tag, right? IMG source. Which are the image you like? That image will be adding here. Understood? And again, same story. When you are adding that image, you are from one web page, right? Cross check the addresses properly. But already we have one image like person which is in the same folder, no problem at all. Now I'm writing person.jpg. Now save. Go to this. Reload your page. Okay. What is the symbol? Yeah, link and symbol is there now. Open. Open or not? Now see. Uh, this is our yesterday's page. Okay. These are also images, right? What is the symbol? What symbol it is? Arrow symbol, normal, because these are normal images, sir. These are just images. These are not going to provide any links. How these are added? Just with the img, that's it. But now what I created, link with the image. Got it? Instead of normal text, sir, we have just written image over there. If you click the image, what will open? Whatever you have written in that href, that will be open. Clear? And now this is big, right? Image looks big, right? You can reduce its size. Yes sir, no. How to do that? Height and width here. I want to make it very small. That's why I'm writing just 100 pixel of width and 100 pixel of height here. Go there, reload the page. Yes, got it. What I want to say here is, see, same image. Yeah, observe this now. Observe once. The same image. Here I have written the image. Okay, normal image, right? Now go there, reload. Uh, I can't click this. I can click this. That's the difference. It's a normal image. Fine. Now, in websites, what they do is, if I click this, what is opening actually? What site is opening? Amazon. What people will do is, people will download Amazon logo and they will store that logo in their computer and they will add that image there. Instead of this image, they will add that image. And if you click that, Amazon site will open and people think like that's something magic, nothing. Clear? It's a normal thing only. They will just download the related images. Same works for YouTube. You have red color, right? One tube symbol, play symbol, something. Those kind of things they will be downloading. Like icons will be there. You can get it. Twitter, right? One bird. So that also they will download and instead of writing click something text, they will be writing that image. In that they will be adding that image address. That's it. That is what usually see in footers. Footer, right? If you go to any website, in the footer you'll be having their links, right? Social media links. Instead of writing the name, they'll be having some beautiful icons will be there. If you click that icon, then that will take you to uh, a particular site, whatever it is, YouTube or something. What I am telling is, behind this, whatever the concept is there, that is very simple. That is what I am telling. Clear? So that's it. This is completely about your email links. Links normally opens always in the same tab. To make it open in the new tab, target equal to underscore blank, we have to write. Links are mostly used for navigating from one page to another page. That another page is most of the time website or web page, but not limited to only that. We can open other kind of content also through links. It can be a link, image, link to an image, link to a video file, link to a audio file. It can be anything. Clear? Next, someone gives you YouTube link. What will open, sir? Video, right? Yes, sir. No. If someone gives you a website address, what will open? Their website. If someone gives you exactly one video link, what will open? Video only, right? That is also from internet only, right? So that's what. So you can open anything, and you can even keep image also as a link. For that to happen, open anchor tag, close anchor tag. In between, don't write text. This time, write the image. That's it. This is completely about your what links. Clear? Any doubt in this? Clear, right? So because these are very very important things, and what I say, like looks like basic things, but these are very very important. These links, whatever I told uh, last session, like images and video files and all, because in normal web pages, most of the times without links, without these things, we don't find any, what we say, like websites nowadays usually will be having link over there, right? Title, right? How to give title to your page, or you don't know? Hmm? Spandana, right? Title tag we have to use. Yeah, see, observe, listen, here, this is a page. This is whatever it is appeared on this called title. Whatever it is appeared is called what? Title. What title it is showing? Links.html. This is called my file name. What is my file name? Links.html. What is my title name? Links.html. But what is the content from A adding? From here to the content is started. Content is always written inside the body tag. But whatever it is there here on the top, it is not related to body tag. You understood, right? That is something like metadata. Meta means some extra information about your page. I want to add one title to my page. Actually, the problem is I did not write any title. Then what happened? Default my web page name or file name is coming as a title. I don't want. I want my own title. For that, we have to use a special tag over there. What is the tag name? Title tag. And you write whatever the title you want. What is the title I have written now? Working with the links. Save this. You can write big title. It's up to you. Whatever way you want. If it is a big, you take your mouse cursor there it will show. Clear? What is this, sir? Online shopping site in India, shop online mobiles, comma, books, comma, watches, dot is there, right? That is also not coming from the sky directly, sir. They also written the same. Yes. What title they have written? Online shopping site in India, shop online for mobiles, books, watches, that only they have written. Got it? Clear? So in this way, so this is the title now. So what actually title is like, if you write your own title, the title will be appeared. If you do not write the title, instead of keeping empty, what it will do is it will take the file name as the default title. You don't want that, then write your own title to the page. Clear? So with this, we are done with the concept called what? Links. So what are the different data we added so far to the web page? Text related data, headings and paras, right? Next is images, audios, video files. Next, links now, and before that, list. What else will be there in the web page? If you open any web page, Generally, if you open any web page, what we see with our eyes, that is called content, right? What else might be there? Forms, tables. What else? Think. That's it. That only will be there in the web page. Yes, sir. No, those things are in a beautiful form, sir. All these things will be in a styled format. But if you open any web page or website, these are the things you observe, right? You don't have any other content other than this. This only, but properly placed, properly aligned. That will be there. So you'll be learning tables and then something like forms. Tables is easy, but easy means like same structure. But forms also easy. But the thing is, forms are very important thing because people will collect the data through forms only. So table is easy. Like link is used with the what tag, anchor tag, right? So like that, if you want to add table, generally table is like optional thing. Optional means you have some data, sir, with that you can represent the data in two three lists, right? The same one, now you want to draw one table, in that you want to display the data, it's up to you. Understood, right? It's like a format available to you to represent the data. Like instead of keeping it like a normal paragraph or normal thing, you can write the data even in the format of table. Then what happens, it gives you a feeling like, better view. That's why we use something like table. To write anything in the form of a table, we use a tag like table. What is the tag name? Table tag. If you write this, one table will be added to the table. But when you talk about the table, in your mind what comes? Something like this, rows and columns will be. So to add each row in a table, we have a special tag called tr. What is the tag name? Tr. Tr indicates table row. Tr means table row. Next we have column, right? For column, we don't have anything like tc here, and there is no concept of column also directly here. But if you see table rows and columns together, what will be the small small boxes will come, right? That box is called cell. The box is called what? Cell. In that, what will be there? Data will be there. That's why it's called data cell. That's why it is called TD. The tag is called what? TD. So we don't have column directly, but indirectly with the help of column only we got that boxes. If you write only rows, box will not come, sir. Yes. If you write only horizontal rows, boxes will not come. How boxes are coming? Because of that vertical only. So means column only. So in simple way, each row will contain boxes. If you have assume two rows, three columns, then each row will have three boxes, right? First box, second, third. Got it? Total how many? Six. Two rows, three columns. Two threes how much nowadays? Six. So it will give you total how many boxes? Six. So first row it will have three boxes. Second row it will have three boxes. To represent that box, we use a tag called TD. Now here, if I want whatever I talk now, that if you want to create, then we have to write something like TD. Open TD and then close TD here. Like that, how many are there? Three are there. Yes, I told something in the air, right? You only told that also. You also followed the same. So that one, two rows, three columns. So one row completed. In each row, you have three boxes. Same one repeated for next row. Yes, same one will be repeated for the next row. Clear? No. So to create the table, that's it. You can create it. Already have a links table. No, you can create a new one or already have this. There also you can add it. Yes, you can add or not. Don't think like links page will be there separate, and in real time what will be there? There is no links pages, so there are no image pages. You will be having a website, in that all will be there. Yes, for learning purpose, you people are doing all these things, right? Now table save. To this, where I have written actually here, right? Some space came, but nothing came because you have written nothing. It's like a skeleton. Nothing is written inside that. No data has been written in that. It's like a blueprint. Something is in your mind, but you have not written this. So I want to write something in that. Okay, I want to add at the starting. name. Okay, this is for students. Okay, name and the class of the student and is from where place. If some values like name, what's the name, eighth class student, something like that is from Hyderabad. Now save. Go to the browser. Reload the browser. You got table? No, but not strong. Yes. Yeah. If people are saying yes with low wise, still it's a table, sir. Absolutely, it's a table only. Do you know why? Because here rows and columns are there, right? Okay, if it is not table, then your data might be in the same line, like name, class, place, like that it should come because so much of space is there, right? Or it should give like name, class, place, like that 6 lines should come, or only 1 line should come. But here 2 lines came. Observe, this data should come in single line, right? Because small data only, right? Or it should give 6 lines, but it is giving 2 lines, means table came. Problem is, are thinking like something is not table there, but actual thing is those borders are not there. That's why it is not giving us the feeling of table. Understood? If you're talking about a classroom, like your students will be there and one teacher will be there, something board or something will be there for an, if it is the feeling like this, then that is called what, classroom, right? But usually if you think classroom means four walls should be there, that's got it right. Okay, usually that will be there. Here also the same thing, clear? So if you don't get that feeling of roof, walls and all, then you may not feel that like a classroom. Here also if you don't find that, you'll feel like it's not a table, but absolutely it's a table. Something is missing here called border. Generally, to give the borders we take the help of css. Only with the css we do that, but this is temporary. We use the attribute called what, border attribute. There we need to provide that 2 pixel border I want, something like that. Now just go there, reload it. Yes, border came, right? Yeah. But that is not in the way which we want. Like this we want actually, but it looks like a small boxes. But this you cannot change. This will come as it is. Default will come like this only. Okay. If you want its effect less, then use width less, something like this. Fine. That's it. In this way, you can add the tables here. And actually, first row is for common, right? Means name is, you have 2 3 students names you can have. First row is like a common. Now here you can have different names for the students here. Okay, now see, save, go to this, reload this. Yeah, we got it right. But in general, if you look at this, there is some difference between the first row and other rows, right? Yeah, first row is for what, fixed, right? Like it will tell you like what to be there in the first column, name. Second one, second row, second column it should be class. Third column it should be place. Who is telling that? Whatever the data you have written in the first row only telling that, right? Making sense? In the first column what data should be there, name. How you know? Because in the first row you already mentioned that. So it should not be like a normal rows, it should be something special. That is called heading. Understood? So instead of giving the data inside the TD, here we write the data inside the TH. That is the only difference. TD, TH are same, sir. Both are for used for adding the data inside your table only. But the problem here is you want something like heading kind of thing, especially for the headings. Then now observe once. This is normal, right? Now you are able to see heading. So what is the difference between TD and TH? THR by default bold, TDs are non-bold. This is a difference. This is one difference. Other difference here, uh, okay, you can't say directly. If I write something, now you will say. Listen. Here I written directly, you can't say. You can say only one difference. What is that? Bold and non-bold, right? Now I write something. Now you will say. At least I'm expecting. What I've written the name? Something, some name, some big name. Okay. What is the difference now? Hmm. TH are printing in the center, whereas TD data is printing left side. Right. See, name how many words? How many letters? Sir? Four. Ravi, how many letters? Sir? Uh, but it is coming in the middle, but it is moving only to the left side. Observe. There is another difference between TD and TH. So what are the differences? TD and TH usually both are used for adding the content inside your table only, but TH are by default bold, TDs are non-bold, and TH are by default center aligned. Alignment is center, and TDs are left. Clear? So this is about a table. Like this, how many rows you want, how many columns you want, how much you want, you can able to add them. This is the way we'll be adding a table to a web page. So in the next session, we are going to see some other kind of table in the same table, but other kind of data, how to add and all other things we'll be discussing in the next session. Clear? Now I want the table to be opposite. Opposite means I want rows and columns to be what I say. What do you call that? Overlap. I want exchange. I want what to do, Manasa? What to do that? You know what I'm talking? Uh, Now I want first column name. Below to that class, below to that place. Now I want Ajay 8th Hyderabad. Data opposite, sir. Rows and column. How many rows are there here? Total 4, right? How many columns? 3. Now I want 3 rows, 4 columns. The headings also like this I want. Then what to do? Hmm? What to do? Very simple, sir. In the first row, what will be there? Total four columns will be there. Name Ajayi, Amit, Ravi. Yes or no? Second one, class 8, 9, 8. Next place Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai. Every row you have four. Every row you have four columns, sir. But first column is special heading. Other three are normal TDs. That's it. Open TR, close TR, TH, TD, TD, TD. Understood? Got it or not? That's it. In that way, you can exchange or you can interchange. At that time, this is called a table with horizontal headings, and that would be called a table with vertical headings. It's a horizontal headings table, that will be vertical headings table. So I want you to create it. I will not create. I forgot how to create, and you to create it. Okay. So today, what you have to do is take one web page and add links in that, add list in that, and also add table in that. Clear? Take just one web page only, but add all the things. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. And if you are having any doubt regarding today's session, just let me know, guys. If not, you are clear with the today's session, just give me the confirmation that you are clear quickly, all of you. If you are doubt, just mention your doubt in the chat box. If not, mention like you are clear. All of you should participate. Mani Vamshi, Navyasri, Sai Prasanna, Pallavi Lalita, Bhavani, Shivani, Bhavani, you are there. Okay, guys. Then yeah. So don't postpone the today's thing for practicing. So you have to practice. Okay. We'll see other things like important things like forms in next session. Clear? Tomorrow session we are going to learn about forms. Fine. Yeah. Tomorrow. Yeah, you'll be having class tomorrow. So tomorrow Saturday, right? Saturday. Which day is tomorrow? Saturday. Yeah, you'll be having class tomorrow. Few Saturdays generally you will not be having, but Few Saturdays you will be having. So starting you will be having, but later you will not be having. Okay. I want headings on the rows. What I do? Yeah, that is what I told. You have to TR. In that TR, first one should be TH, next should be TD, TD, TD. Next row, first one should be TH, next TD, TD, TD. Next also the same. You try, Bhavan, you will see it tomorrow. That is the work actually I gave you people to do it. So you do that. Okay, guys, then yeah, we'll meet in next session. Bye, guys.